What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're installing the CSF oil cooler for the BMW E30 M20 setup. Now this thing is an upgrade over stock. As you guys can already tell just by looking at it, the whole profile is just bigger. The vents are bigger, the rows that flow the oil are bigger, and the end tanks capacity wise and the inlet and outlets are also a few millimeters bigger diameter wise, which is insane because if you look at it side by side, it's massive. So now I've got these adapters on with the little O-ring on both ends right there. If you buy the CSF oil cooler, it comes with that hardware. I ordered mine from Auto House AZ, but there's 4 or 5 different suppliers in the SoCal area that get these out pretty quick. Now this thing is massive. I'm still in shock over it. It's not bolted in yet. I'm gonna see what kind of hardware I need. It all works with factory bolts and everything and the factory lines. I am gonna be making some custom AN lines with my homie Mo. You guys have seen him on the channel I think a few times. We're gonna be doing some steel braided ones. So hopefully in a couple weeks I'll get a video out for you guys. For right now I'm just gonna figure out how to get this one mounted, get the lines tightened up, and then that should be good to go. 2 things though. Before I bolt it up, you guys will need O-rings for these lines right there. They're little small O-rings, and for that one as well down there. That being said, I'm gonna figure out what bolts I need to get this one in there, since you guys know I did hit that raccoon. Or this video might be posted first. I'm not quite sure what my timing is, but either way, some stuff got broken under there and I need to get some more hardware so I can use it properly. So let's get it installed, baby. Another thing, since this is a little bit bigger than the stock one, I'm sure your oil capacity is gonna go up just a little bit. So normal E30 oil changes are 4.2 quarts. I would say maybe expect to be putting 5 in there now. Not sure. I will let you guys know at the end when I do put oil in the car. Alright, so I did find a screw that will work. It's a 10mm universal bolt stud, whatever you want to call it. And I just threw it right up under there. And then I'm just going to zap it with a 10mm. Bingo! Alright, so this is the O-ring size that I'm talking about. It's very small, and there's going to be like 4 or 5 of them if you decide to change them all. And they go right here on the end of the oil cooler line, and then this pops up, threads in, and that creates the seal. So you're going to need these seals. Check this out. The welds on the end tanks are freaking amazing. These things are sweet. The adapters that it comes with and the O-ring that goes up to the stock hardware, sick. I mean, they couldn't have put this kit together any better. It goes together really nicely, and no leaks on either end. No leaks at all. You just tighten it down right and use the provided seals, and then get yourself a new O-ring for the stock line, and you're good to go. I mean, this thing is, whew, love it. Can't wait to take this thing on the road and drive it. And with all that being said, it does mount using the stock hardware. So you use those rubber grommet bushings, the bolt, 10mm, and those brackets that hook onto the core support. If yours are broken, then I recommend you getting some new ones. But that's it right there, guys. Enjoy.